Good morning, children. Today we continue with the chapter Profit and Loss. In the previous class, you learned about SP, that is selling price, CP, that is cost price. And you learned the formula also, that SP equal to CP plus profit and SP equal to CP minus loss, and CP equal to SP minus profit and CP equal to SP plus loss. And these formula are applicable only when the profit or the loss will be given you in rupees. And you also learned that when a shopkeeper is having profit, when he is having loss. Now there are some cases when the loss or the profit will be given to you in percentage. In that case, how will you find CP or how will you find SP? Let us see the formula to find SP when the CP and the gain or the loss percentage is given to you. That is SP equal to 100 plus gain upon 100 into CP, or SP equal to 100 minus loss upon 100 into CP. These are the formula that you are going to apply when you have to find out SP. CP and gain or loss percentage is given to you. Let us take an example and understand about this formula, how to apply this formula. Example is, Deepak bought a watch for rupees 1920, and for how much should he sell it to gain 5%? Again, read the question. Deepak bought a watch for rupees 1920. For how much should he sell it to gain 5%? CP is already given in the question. CP is 1920 and the gain percentage is given as 5%. You are supposed to find out the SP of the watch. We know since gain is given you in percentage, we apply this formula 100 plus gain upon 100 into CP. That is 100 plus 5 upon 100 into 1920. 100 plus 5 is 105 upon 100 into 1920. On simplification, we get as rupees 2016. That is the SP of the watch is rupees 2016. Let us see another example. Kamal bought a bicycle for rupees 6,500. He sold it at a loss of 6%. You have to find out for how much did he sell it. That is, you have to find out the SP of the bicycle if he suffers a loss of 6%. And already the cost price of the bicycle is given to you as 6,500 and loss is 6%. We apply the formula SP equal to 100 minus loss upon 100 into CP. On application, 100 minus 6 upon 100 into 6,500. That is 94 upon 100 into 6,500. On simplification, you get 6,100 rupees, 6,100. That is the selling price of the bicycle is 6,100. In another case, how to find CP when SP and gain or loss percentage is given. The formula is CP equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain into SP. CP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss into SP. Let us take an example from a book only. That is exercise 7.3, question number 10. A shopkeeper sells an article at rupees 300, thus earning profit of 20%. Finds the cost price. I read the question one more time. A shopkeeper sells an article at rupees 300, thus earning a profit of 20%. Find the cost price of the article. Here you have to find the cost price, that is the CP of the article, and we know the formula for CP when gain is given, when or a profit percentage is given to you, 100 upon 100 plus gain percentage into SP. So CP equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP, 100 upon 100 plus 20 into 300, 100 upon 100 plus 20 is 120 into 300. On simplification, we get rupees 250. That is, the cost price of the article is rupees 250. Again, we discuss question number 14 of your exercise. By selling a table for rupees 3,168, Rashid loses 12%. Find the cost price of the table. Again, also find the percentage loss or profit if he is selling it for rupees 3,870. I read the question one more time. By selling a table for rupees 3,168, Rashid loses 12%. Find the cost price. Second part, what percent would he gain or lose by selling the table for rupees 3,870? There are two parts in this question. The first part, the question is asking you to find the cost price, and it is given the loss percentage is 12%. So we apply the formula CP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss into SP. Loss percentage is 12 given to you. 100 upon 100 minus 12 into 3,168, that is 100 upon 88 into 3,168. On simplification, we get CP as rupees 3,600. Now see the second part. The second part, selling the table, that means the SP of the table is given to you as 3,870, and we already got the CP as 3,600. When we compare these two, that is CP is rupees 3,600 and SP is rupees 3,870. That is, since SP is greater than CP, we have profit is there. That is, profit is equal to SP minus CP. We know profit is SP minus CP. So for 3870 minus 3600, that is rupees 270. So we need to find the profit percentage, and we know the profit percentage is profit upon CP into 100. That is 270 upon 3,600 into 100%. On simplification, we get 7.5%.